The Gerald R. Ford Presidential Airport is getting ready for the upcoming snowstorm. Maintenance crews will be working around the clock to keep the runways clear. The airport spokesman says they are fully stocked with the appropriate materials and all equipment is operational. The airport encourages passengers to visit their airline's website for updates on their flight status.
And as we look ahead to the next few days of snowfall, first responders are urging people to slow down.
During the last major snowfall event, they were busy taking 911 calls and responding to multiple crashes. 13 on your side's Carla Byron talked with the Kent County Sheriff's Office about safely driving.
During major winter weather events, first responders typically respond to multi-vehicle accidents on the larger freeways, including US 131, 196, and M6. They're encouraging drivers to take it easy when visibility is low and roads are dangerously slick.
I know we're all busy. We have kids to get to school, to get to basketball, and to get to work on time. But we invite everybody to just pause, take a breath, slow down a little bit.
First responders are out risking their lives and also want to get back to their destination safely. Earlier this month, 2 Michigan State Police patrol troopers were hit by drivers while out on I-94. Thankfully, they weren't seriously hurt. Here are 2 instances where Kent County deputies were struck by other drivers over the past several weeks. One deputy was rear-ended while assisting along the expressway, and another was struck head-on by a driver who lost control during slippery conditions. Sergeant Eric Brunner reminds people to leave adequate space between you and the vehicle ahead of you. And knowing the condition of your tires is also important.
Knowing the condition of your vehicle's tires, having sufficient tire tread depth on your vehicle's tires. If you're not familiar, don't know what to do, seek someone's help out. Seek out a professional as far as that goes to make sure you have adequate tread depth.